Good morning. Now I'm going to explain the passive but in the interrogative form. Now let's look at this. Again, I'll take the same tenses but in the interrogative. Now here let's see. Does Paul eat meat? Does Paul eat meat? This is the interrogative. Here is the present simple tense. Alright, so I put verb to be in the interrogative. What is verb to be in the interrogative? It's either is or am or are at the beginning. So is meat eaten by Paul? This is how it will form the passive interrogative. Now the second one, did Paul eat meat? This is the past simple tense. What is the past simple of verb to be? It's was or were. Here meat, it's singular. So was meat, and then of course, as usual, it's the past participle of the verb. So was meat eaten by Paul? Pay attention, we respect the interrogative form. It's important because of this. We have to put is at the beginning, and we have to put was at the beginning. Now the third one here is the present perfect. Has Paul eaten meat? What is the present perfect of verb to be? It has been. So I put it in the interrogative form again. So has meat been eaten by Paul? Alright, here it's the past perfect. Had Paul eaten meat? So had meat been eaten by Paul? Had been, this is the past perfect of verb to be. So had meat been eaten by Paul? Now here you have the future will. So will Paul eat meat? So will meat be eaten by Paul? Because will is followed by the infinitive. So here again will is followed by the infinitive of verb to be. So will meat be eaten by Paul? Is Paul eating meat? Is meat being eaten by Paul? Why? Because is eating present continuous. So is being is the present continuous, but it's the interrogative form. Was Paul eating meat? The past continuous. So was meat being eaten by Paul? Does Paul have to eat meat? So does meat have to be eaten by Paul? The last one here is the modal verb, can or must or may. So can Paul eat meat? Can meat be eaten by Paul? So as you can see, it's a little bit confusing, but if you find it difficult, my advice is you to change this into affirmative. So you can say, Paul eats meat. Paul eats meat. So meat is eaten by Paul. Then I change it to interrogative, so it will be, is meat eaten by Paul. Instead of doing it 3 steps, you can do it in 1 step. But if you feel confused, you can do this. Write it. So this is the interrogative. You change it to affirmative. And then the affirmative is changed to passive. And then you change the passive to interrogative. But it's too complicated. It's easy. If you understand, it's better to do it like this. Now here another exercise. Again, correct the verbs. But it's all about the interrogative. So let's pay attention. All these are questions. So the pyramids built thousands of years ago. And pay attention, there is a question mark. So it means they want you to put it in the interrogative. So the pyramids, plural. Okay? So here I have to begin by putting where the pyramids built thousands of years ago. So again, ago is the key word for the past. I put verb to be in the past. It's either was or where. It's a question, so I begin by putting it at the beginning. Pyramids plural, so it's where the pyramids, and then this verb, I put it in the past participle. So where the pyramids built thousands of years ago. Alright, the second sentence, English speak all over the world. Of course, this is a passive question. So, again, English speak all over the world. I'm asking the question in general. So, this is the present simple tense. Okay, so is English spoken all over the world? Now, your bicycle stole last week. Sorry, it's steal. Stole is the past, so it's a mistake, it's my mistake. Sorry. It shouldn't be stole, it's steal, verb to steal. Alright, so your bicycle steal last week. Steal is the present, stole and stolen. Stole past and stolen past participle. So your bicycle steal last week, again last week it's the past. It's the past. So, was your bicycle, and then the past participle of verb to steal is stolen. last week? So was your bicycle stolen last week? Tomorrow's lunch, there is an apostrophe here of course, tomorrow's lunch, cook by mom. Tomorrow's lunch, cook by mom. It's a question. So will tomorrow's lunch be? Because will be is the future of verb to be. Will tomorrow's lunch be cooked by mom? The last example here, your cousins invite to your birthday party tomorrow. So pay attention here, to your birthday party. It shows that your cousins are not going to invite, but they are invited. So it's a passive. You have to understand at the beginning, is it an active or a passive sentence? Of course, this is a passive sentence. So, will your cousins be invited to your birthday party tomorrow? So these are a few examples, and of course we have a lot of examples in our book. Goodbye and good luck.